I would have to say, if you were to take one thing and describe project management, it's like it's relationship. And so you evaluate, what do I need to do to keep this relationship healthy? How do you take a customer's desire and project and turn it into reality while keeping everything from budgets to schedules on track?
They don't have to talk to a different person at each level of the company to get the answer they're looking for. They can just come to me and get the answer that they want.
So at the very beginning of a project, before we get into design, we'll sit down with their whole team and we'll sit and walk through the entire process. And then we'll ask them to describe the vision that they have for the project end to end. And once we have a really good understanding of what they expect from Con-Vey, we'll make basically a chart that just walks us through that. And then from that point on, it's communication.
As far as matching expectations on the early portion of the project, we're often going on site, making visits and verifying that our sales team has taken dimensions of where the equipment is going to be going. But we want to usually double check, and we'll also go there and provide them with the sales layout and make sure that what we sold them matches what they were looking for to get. I think a recent win that stands out to me was working with a customer who had never worked with Con-Vey before, hadn't done any major automation project. We provided them a full line that wasn't just a couple pieces of equipment, it was close to 100 or 200 pieces of equipment. Provided them project management throughout the project and into the commissioning stage. And the feedback we got afterwards from them was that they greatly appreciated the organization and management that Con-Vey provided compared to the other vendors who they were working with on this project. They felt that at the end, when everything was being commissioned, they felt the most confident with our equipment and felt the most comfortable taking it over at a handoff.
Sales does an amazing job of bringing us in, introducing us to the customer so that when we get the project handed off, we've already built those relationships and then we work on, implementing them every day.